Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. If you're thinking about diving into this digital frontier, it's crucial to arm yourself with knowledge before investing. Here's your crash course on what you need to know before making any crypto investments. 1. Understand what cryptocurrency is. At its core, cryptocurrency is the type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, fiat money, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. A blockchain is a distributed ledger enforced by a network of computers, nodes, that work together to validate transactions. 2. Know the different types of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin BTC, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold. Altcoins. These are alternatives to Bitcoin, including Ethereum ETH, which supports smart contracts and decentralized applications dApps, and others like Litecoin, LTC and Ripple XRP. Stablecoins, cryptocurrencies pegged to stable assets, like the US dollar, for example, Tether USDT, and USD Coin USDC to minimize volatility. Tokens, often built on existing blockchains like Ethereum. They can represent a wide range of assets or rights, including utility tokens and security tokens. 3. Research and choose a reliable exchange. To buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. Some well-known exchanges include Coinbase, user-friendly and ideal for beginners. Binance, known for its wide range of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features. Kraken offers strong security features and a variety of trading options. Make sure the exchange you choose is reputable, secure, and has a user-friendly interface. 4. Understand wallets and security. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets. There are two main types. Hot wallets. Connected to the internet, they are convenient for frequent transactions, but more vulnerable to hacking. Examples include online wallets and mobile apps. Cold wallets, offline storage solutions, such as hardware wallets, for example, Ledger or Trezor, or paper wallets, offer better security for long-term holdings. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication to FA for added security. 5. Be aware of market volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their high volatility. Prices can fluctuate wildly within short periods. It's important to be prepared for this volatility and not to invest more than you can afford to lose. 6. Diversify your investments. Just like in traditional investing, diversification can help manage risk. Instead of putting all your money into one cryptocurrency, consider spreading your investments across multiple assets to mitigate potential losses. 7. Understand the risks. Regulatory risks. Cryptocurrency regulations vary by country and can impact the market. Market risks. Prices can be influenced by market sentiment, news, and broader economic factors. Security risks. Hacking and fraud are real threats, so safeguarding your investments is crucial. 8. Stay informed and educated. The crypto space evolves rapidly. Follow credible news sources, join online communities, and continuously educate yourself about new developments, technologies, and market trends. 9. Beware of scams. The crypto space is rife with scams, including Ponzi schemes, fake ICOs, initial coin offerings, and phishing attacks. Always conduct thorough research and be skeptical of offers that seem too good to be true. 10. Have a clear investment strategy. Set clear goals and a strategy before you invest. Decide on your investment horizon, risk tolerance, and exit strategy. Regularly review and adjust your strategy as needed. Investing in cryptocurrency can be exciting and potentially rewarding, but it comes with its own set of risks and challenges. By understanding the basics, researching thoroughly, and approaching your investments with caution, you can navigate the crypto landscape more effectively and make informed decisions. Happy investing!